Okay, so to install batteries into your Xbox 360 controller, you're first going to remove the back battery compartment by pressing the button on the top. You now are going to need two AA batteries, and you're going to slide them in one at a time, making sure to line up the positive and the negatives. Put them in just like this. Now you're going to line up the exposed end of the batteries with the prongs inside of the controller. Snap the battery pack in like so. And now check your work by holding the center button to see if it powers up. We have a winner. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.